Use appropriate safety equipment when maneuvering the fridge into your workspace. Unpack the fridge by guiding a knife along the corners of the packaging. The efficient packaging is easily disassembled. Remove the vent grit that is attached to the fridge and place it to one side. Inside the fridge you will find the manual as well as the fitting components. Take a moment to read through the manual to make sure you fully understand the installation process. Remove the white plastic top cover from the fridge door. Unmount the fridge door by removing the top and bottom screws. Place the door on the blanket. Use a screwdriver to remove the door hinge and the washer. Now remove the plastic inserts. Place the washer, then the hinge into position on the left. Now take the plastic inserts and place them on the right-hand side. Repeat the process for moving the bottom right-hand hinge to the left-hand side. Fix the fridge door into place using the screws provided. Remove the freezer door. Remove the plastic insert from the left-hand side and attach it to the right. Now reattach the fridge door to the opposite side. Remove the plinth from the bottom of the furniture and carefully place to one side. Move the fridge to the niche. Take the electric cable and put it through the niche. Maneuver the fridge into the niche. Attach the two mounting angles to the corners of the fridge. Push the fridge further into the niche. Adjust the rear legs using a screwdriver. Using your hands, extend the fridge legs to the correct height. Remove the metal bracket from the fridge and place to one side. For the next step, you will need the two green templates. Place the two green templates onto the top of the fridge and align the doors with the worktop. Slide the fridge fully into the niche. Remove the two green templates and place to one side. You will now need the decorative panel. Place the decorative panel onto the worktop. For the next step, you will need the metal bracket. Clip the two green templates to the metal bracket and the 10 Torx screws provided. Using a measuring tape, mark the center of the door. Line up the bracket and mark the 8 fixing points. Fix the metal bracket to the decorative panel. Ensure the bracket is securely fastened. Turn the decorative panel around. Using a tape measure, mark the centre of the door and the positions for the bottom fixing points. For the next step, you will need the 2 mounting angles and the 2 white washer holders. Fix the round white washer holders into place. Mount the panel onto the fridge door and fix into place. Using these 2 screws, you can align the door panel to the worktop so that it is flush. Cut the tips off the 2 mounting angles and fix into position on the left and right hand side of the fridge. Using the mounting angles as your guide, mark the sides of the fridge. Remove the panel from the door and then drill both sides. Place the panel back onto the fridge and securely fix into place, screwing first into the sides and then the top. Slide the fridge fully into the niche. Open the fridge door and fix the fridge into place. You will now need the 2 white plastic hinge covers. Place the covers onto the metal hinges. You will now need the white top plastic cover. Insert into place on top of the fridge door. For the next step, you will need the sealing strip provided. Take the sealing strip and attach it in between the furniture and the fridge. If you need to restrict the door opening angle to 90 degrees, insert the 2 pins provided. Next, you will need the vent cover. Cut the vent cover according to the hinge position. Clip the vent cover into place. Close the fridge door and reattach the plinth. Your installation is now complete and ready for your customer.